So today the chapter is gaseous exchange. The topic we are going to study is the structure of lungs, which will be studied in detail in the end. First, we will start from the beginning. The gaseous exchange occurs at two levels. Number one level is the organism level, which is called as an external respiration, as well as it is called the gaseous exchange. And this gaseous exchange of gases occurs at alveolar level, whereas the second is the cell level, which is called as an internal respiration or gaseous exchange, or it called the cellular respiration. It includes the breakdown of larger molecules into smaller ones with the help of oxygen, and it produces water, carbon dioxide, energy, and food, which is called as a catabolism. The process and the phenomena is called catabolism. Now, the properties of respiratory system includes: number one, moist and permeable surface. Number two, thin permeable epithelium, which is 1 millimeter diameter. Number third is the large surface area. Number fourth is the rich blood capillaries. And number fifth is the efficient gradient of gases. Number last is the partial pressure of gases. Now we talk about two tracts, which is upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. Whereas an upper respiratory tract includes the exchange of gases, and it is derived from the endoderm. Upper respiratory tract include: first part is the nose, which is a visible part of the body. It is composed of bone and hyaline cartilage, and it includes fatty tissues. As you can see in the diagram, you can see all the labelings by pausing the video. Number second part is the nasal cavity. It is a cavity which is present in the nose, and the next it also includes vestibules, which is a cavity where the hairs are present to stop the foreign particles to enter in the nose. The pathway we are going to study is that under the epithelium there are the blood capillaries present, and those blood capillaries maintain the warm air up to 30 degrees Celsius. Then we have cilia, mucus, and pharynx, which doesn't allow the foreign particles to enter the nose. Pharynx is a cone-shaped structure, and it is the common pathway between both the respiratory tract and the digestive tract. And all the food particles which enter the digestive tract is through pharynx. Now, pharynx has three different types. Number one type is the oropharynx. As you all know, oral, that it contains the air passageway. Nasal cavity includes the nasopharynx, whereas a laryngopharynx includes the larynx. These are the diagrams of the lungs which will be discussed in detail. As you all can see the labelings, there is nasal cavity, nostril, soft palate, hard palate, oral cavity, larynx, trachea, center of trachea, right main bronchus, right lung, and then we have the oropharynx, then laryngopharynx and left lung. And you can also see the trachea and the nasal bone in the nasal upper lateral cartilage in the nose. Now the next diagrams are the lungs. So as you can see, the lungs, it contains lobes, like the first upper lobe, the lower lobe, the heart where it is present, bronchus, pulmonary arteries, terminal arteries, and other arteries. In these diagrams you can see the other labels which are not discussed in the previous ones, like the epiglottis, the tonsils, the glottis, and the sinusoidal sinus. So you should stick to your book, the federal book, and the next topic of lower respiratory tract will be discussed in the next video. Learn these labels, and till then, see you next time. Also, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.